Generally, flat-pack modular systems are what comes to mind when thinking about DIY projects. Now, we've come up with another offer that gives you the flexibility to create the perfect fit in your kitchen thanks to our cut-to-measure program. A smart and affordable service transforming DIY kitchen projects. You can now adjust the width of selected cabinets, doors and panels, as well as benchtops and splashbacks to your required size to suit any given space. Minimize the number of filler panels, maximize storage space, reduce visible joints, and create a seamless designer look. Simply use our modular, off-the-shelf products to fit out most of your kitchen and incorporate cut-to-measure cabinets, doors and panels to fill the space perfectly. Whether your style is industrial, chic, or ultimate minimalist, our cut-to-measure offer gives you the look of a designer kitchen without the hefty price tag. Kaboodle's cut-to-measure program is putting that perfect fit into flat-pack kitchens. Flexible and affordable, no matter your style or kitchen size. Cut to measure, available across all colours in our modern profile.